Apple given an F by U.S. consumer advocacy group over difficult iPhone repairs. This is no surprise. These things are tremendously difficult to repair. I'm not sure it's all that different for other smartphone manufacturers. Smartphones in general, when I used to goof around and repair these things, or even like I've mentioned in the past, iPods before that, like the tightness of everything and the necessity of more glues and having things be stuck together just because of space requirements, it made things just very difficult to work on. Apple's iPhone and MacBooks are some of the most repair-unfriendly devices on the market, a U.S. PIRG report claims, with it scoring the lowest marks of major producers. Okay, so even worse than others. Over the years, Apple's hardware has become much harder to repair and has been the target of right-to-repair campaigns over its hardware. In a new report from the U.S. Public Research Interest Group, the iPhone maker is dead last in groups of major smartphone and notebook producers in terms of repairability. Well, here's the report card. So for smartphones, you have Motorola at the top, which is kind of interesting.
No one has an A.
No one has an A. You have Samsung coming in next, Google, and then Apple. And Apple is quite a bit further down if you look at the numerical representation. Apple scores a 2.75, and Motorola is a 7.7. Samsung 5.69, and Google 4. So like even Google at a D has almost double the number of, as far as the ranking is concerned, of Apple. Right. And then when it comes to laptops, you have Dell at number 1, followed by Asus, Lenovo, Acer, HP, Microsoft, and then Apple's at the bottom of that one as well. I'm not sure that Apple really cares all that much about this. Maybe they've received some pressure from right to repair. But Apple is this proprietary thing. They are this exclusive thing. They want you to come to their people. They want you to speak to their geniuses. They want you to have the most slender device possible. They manufacture all the parts, or the vast majority of parts inside their units, including CPUs now. Everything's embedded, increasingly embedded. There's nothing modular about it. Like, what are you really going to replace? So the whole system from the ground up is just not a very friendly one from a repair perspective. It doesn't stop people. There are some people that love to do it. And it's a service that many users can really benefit from, which is why you have these third parties, which is why the iFixits exist. I had a company in the past that was doing this kind of stuff. But going forward, I don't know. You got to believe it's only going to get harder and harder to repair this stuff.
Mm-hmm.